Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, my name is Tria Deswitasari.
My name is Angel Prilia Masyuri.
Okay, we will have a dialogue about restaurant.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Trapung Restaurant. How may I help you?
Afternoon, we have a reservation for under the name of Mila.
Of course, ma'am. Please follow me. Your table is ready.
Can I have the menu, please?
Certainly, ma'am. Here it is.
Okay, give up 10 minutes. I want to look at the menu first.
Okay, ma'am.
Waiters?
Yes, ma'am. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I have grilled fish and my friends will have the fried chicken and fried rice.
Would you like anything to drink? We have a variety of fruit juice and vegetable juice.
Certainly, I have orange juice and my friend's apple juice.
How is everything tasting?
Oh, it's delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Can I get you anything else?
No.
Here's your bill, ma'am.
Can I pay by credit card or Chris?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.